Want to write Python code like a pro from day one? Hey there, future coder. Welcome to our Python Basics series, where we make coding fun and easy. Today, we're starting with Python comments, a tiny trick that makes your code clearer and saves you hours of confusion. Let's dive in. So what are comments? They're like little notes you leave in your code for yourself or other programmers. Think of them as reminders explaining what's going on. The cool thing? Python ignores comments when running your code. They're just for us to read. Let's start with single-line comments. In Python, we use the hash symbol, that's the hash sign, to create them. Check this out.
Everything after the hash on that line is a comment. You can also add a comment after your code, like this.
Super easy, right? What if you need a longer comment? Python doesn't have a special multi-line comment syntax, but there are two ways to handle it. First, you can use multiple hash symbols. Or you can use triple quotes like this. Both work great for bigger notes. Comments are a lifesaver. Imagine looking at your code months later and wondering, what was I thinking? Clear comments help you remember your logic and make your code easier for others to understand. Trust me, they save time and headaches. Here's a pro tip. Write comments that explain why you're doing something, not just what. Your code already shows the what. For example, say why you chose a specific approach. Keep comments clear and to the point. That's it for Python comments. Start using them in your code today. It's a game changer. Next time, we'll dive into Python variables. Practice what you learned, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.